In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your age in CapCut. Whether you're new to CapCut or already familiar with its features, updating personal details like your age might feel a little tricky since there's no dedicated field for it in the app. But don't worry, I'll walk you through a simple and effective workaround to display your age on your profile. Follow along step by step to make sure your profile reflects exactly what you want it to. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the CapCut app on your device. This is where everything begins, as it's your gateway to accessing the profile settings. If you don't already have the app, be sure to download it from your device's app store and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the app, look for the user icon. Now, this icon is your key to accessing your personal account settings. Depending on your device or the version of the app you're using, you might find this icon either in the bottom right corner or up in the top corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Next up, select the option to view your profile. Usually this will appear as View Profile, but in some cases it might show up as your username or even a small avatar. This step will take you to your digital profile, where all your account information is displayed. Now that you're in your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. This might appear as a pencil icon in some versions of the app. Tapping it will open up the section where you can make changes to your profile details. This is the area you'll need to access in order to update your age. Once you're in the editing mode, locate the Bio section. It's important to note that CapCut doesn't have a specific field for your age. That's why the Bio section serves as a handy workaround to display this information. So go ahead and find the Bio section. It's where we'll be adding your age. Now type your age into the Bio field. You can keep it simple by just entering the number, or if you prefer, you can stylize it or include additional details to give your profile a personal touch. For example, you could write something like age 25 or include a fun fact along with it. It's entirely up to you. Once you've entered the information, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button and tap on it. Depending on your app version, this button might be located at the top or the bottom of the editing page. Saving ensures that the changes you've made are applied and stored successfully. Now, if you don't immediately see the updated information on your profile, don't worry. Sometimes the app needs a moment to sync. Simply close your profile screen and reopen it to refresh the display. This should show the changes you just made. And that's it. You've successfully updated your age in CapCut. By following these steps, you can make sure your profile reflects the details you want to share. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.